glass motes, dancing amber beams, a hose caught by the silent stage. One velvet rope, it softly gleams, a glitter ball, a missing page. Oh, no footsteps echo on the floor, just memories of a distant roar. 10, 9, 8, the silence waits. 7, 6, my clock is clean. 5, 4, unlocking fates. 3, 2, a hopeful shield. 1, 0, here we go. Lacquer then lights, a whispered vow. The room still knows my shape somehow. Each touch, a promise I will keep, while all the sleeping dancers sleep. Hey, hey, hey. Lacquer then lights, the faded gleam keeps alive a silent dream. The guest list faded on the wall, no names to call, no faces known, just echoes bouncing down the hall, and seeds of hope that I have sown. Ooh, this empty space, a waiting heart, ready to play its vibrant part. 10, 9, 8, the polish on. 7, 6, umbrella so bright. 5, 4, reading the signs. 3, 2, baked in soft light. 1, 0, day to night. Lacquer then lights, a whispered vow. The room still knows my shape somehow. Each touch, a promise I will keep, while all the sleeping dancers sleep. Lacquer then lights, the faded gleam keeps alive a silent dream. This isn't just a polish and a prayer, it's faith. The music fills the air, a spark that waits to catch the flame, whispering every lover's name.